just gotta brush my teeth.
And for this, I went to college. Fun.
You scared the taste out of me, Fred.
I'm aware of that.
What are you doing here?
I couldn't sleep. I got this brilliant idea in my head. We could put on another one of those crazy matches like you did tonight and charge folks to come and see it.
I promised Betty I wouldn't do anything dangerous.
It ain't gonna be dangerous. It'll be entertainment, like a show.
Wow, a show? I pay harder in clowns to see something like that.
That's what I'm telling you. If we do this, we can make enough clams to take both our families on a vacation.
Betty sure would love a vacation. What the heck? I'm in.
Bonnie, are you talking to someone?
Nope, just gargling, sweetheart.
We just need to find some more guys for the show. And I think I know just where to start. Hey, Cedar Stone, you really shoved that dinosaur who's boss yesterday.
Oh, that was no big deal.
Are you kidding? I tell you, if I had moves like that, I wouldn't be working in a quarry.
Actually, Mr. Flintstone, I don't plan on breaking rocks my whole life.
None of us do, kid. None of us do.
Maybe music is my thing.
Music? With muscles like that? Listen, me and my pal Barney are putting together a little sports entertainment event this weekend. And you, my dinosaur throwing friend, would be perfect for it.
You think?
Oh, I don't think. I know. Now, if we could just find a few more big, strong fellas like you, we'd have ourselves a show.
I might be able to help you out there.
No thanks, Cedar Stone. I don't want your flyer.
Please, I insist.
I said, no, I don't.
But I think you want to say, yes, you do.
No, I don't.
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 No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
I say, yes, I do. Yes. Yes! 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 Yes!
You think that guy's coming to the event?
I'm going to say no.
Hey, watch where you're going.
Sorry about that.
You're that guy from the lodge. You're the one who tag teamed me with that dino hop.
Hopperoo. He's a hopperoo.
Well, I think he's a dumbaroo. And I didn't like getting kicked out of the ring. I didn't like it one bit. Now I got you right where I want you. I'm gonna give you
Ice cream!
Marvel Henry. We are not giving him ice cream. We're giving him a beatdown.
Everything okay, Bon?
Everything's fine. Just having a little chat.
As far as chats go, that one was on the intimidating side.
Your ice cream's melting.
on, Marble Henry. Let's get out of here. You licked this one?
I can't remember. No, I licked the other one.
I get the feeling that guy doesn't like me so much.
Don't sweat it, buddy. We got bigger fish to fry.